subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly working on its upcoming phone called Galaxy F62, and it is going to be the company's second phone under F series after Galaxy F41 smartphone that was launched in India back in October this year. Recently, the upcoming Galaxy F62 smartphone was spotted on benchmarking site called Geekbench that reveals some key specifications of the smartphone. According to the listing, the Galaxy F62 will come powered by Exynos 9825 chipset paired with 6GB of RAM, and it will run on latest Android 11 out of the box. The device managed to score 763 in single-core test and 1952 in multi-core test. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy F62 has leaked so far, and the phone is expected to launch in India in the first half of 2021. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy F62 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.